How to do. Today, let's learn how to join text from multiple cells. Using the and symbol with a space in between. Imagine you have a first name in one column and a last name in another. And you want to combine them into a full name. Here's how. Step 1. Click the cell where you want the full name to appear. In my example, need to join James with Smith. Type this formula. Equals B5 and C5. B5 has the first name. B2 has the last name. Double quotation marks with space adds a space between them. Now press enter and just like that, you get the full name. And drag the formula. You can use and to join any kind of text like names, cities, codes, or even sentences. And that's it. Joining text with and is fast, simple, and powerful. Thanks for watching How to Do. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart Excel tricks.